Iyak ang Philippine Coast Guard sa balitang ito. Barkong pinadala ng PCG hindi nakapasok. Bigong makalusot ang BRP Melchora Aquino laban sa mga Chinese Coast Guard. Oo, hindi Philippine Navy warship ang ipinadala, kundi isa pang pinakamalaking barko ng Philippine Coast Guard. Nakakadalawang beses na rin itong sinubukang pumasok, pero 200 barko ng China ang namonitor na humarang sa ating barko. Galit na galit ang maritime expert sa Philippine Coast Guard. Bakit raw kasi binabalita pang pupunta tayo doon?
207, 1 versus 207 vessels. And that was really brave enough for the Philippines.
Dapat hindi ina-announce in the first place. Kasi pag ganun, siyempre na timbrehan na ng China, siyempre gagawa ng paraan na hindi tayo makapasok. Pero ginawa naman ng paraan, no? Sinubukan pumasok twice, tapos bumalik. Pero siyempre hindi pa natatapos doon dahil
biglang give up si Philippines dyan. Because of course, no, medyo matindi pa rin yung ating statement coming from DFA that Sabina Shoal is still part of the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines.
Kita sa litratong magkasama na ang BRP Melchora Aquino at US Coast Guard. Ready na ang US na escortan ang Philippine Coast Guard. Inanunsyo na rin kasi yan ni US spokesperson Miller, diba? Pero tinanggihan pala yan ulit ng PCG. Pinababalik daw ang US Coast Guard kaya pa naman daw ng PCG. Pero anong nangyari? Hinarang na naman tayo at sobrang nakakadismaya na to. Depensa ng maritime spokesperson, marami pa raw gagawing paraan ang Philippine Coast Guard. Kakayanin pa naman daw to mag-isa ng Pilipinas.
Statement, yung escort support. Sa atin naman, again, papasalamatan na dun yung kanilang no. Pero hindi naman porke may problema tayo, dudulong kaagad tayo. Kasi, well, we have a dignity as a nation, no? Kaya pa naman natin. Siguro, when push comes to shove, when worst comes to worst, and that will be an executive decision whether we will accede to the request or we will ask for the request. So it's an executive decision.
Inatras ng Pilipinas ang BRP Melchora Aquino. Pag itong barko kasing to pinagbangga ng China at nabutas na naman, malaking problema to ng PCG. Posibleng mas mahirapan daw kasi ang PCG mag-resupply mission sa West Philippine Sea. Sobrang dismayado na rin si dating Justice Secretary Carpio. Panahon na raw kasi para tanggapin ang tulong ng Amerika. Huwag na daw marami pang mga satsat.
I think it's time to accept the offer of the US already because China is the largest Coast Guard fleet in the world, and we have only two 97-meter long Coast Guard vessels. The game plan of the Chinese is to ram our Coast Guard vessels so they will be out of commission. It will take several months for those gaping holes to be repaired. So when the next Coast Guard vessel, or the remaining 97-meter Coast Guard vessel is rammed, we won't have Coast Guard vessels that large to patrol or to protect Sabina Shoal anymore. So we have to change our tactics already because the plan of China is really to damage our Coast Guard vessels so that we will run out of Coast Guard vessels.
Itatry ulit ng BRP Melchora Aquino pumasok sa Sabina Shoal. Ang tanong, makakapasok kaya o haharangin ulit? Ano sa palagay nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salog